Dear friends, in this video, we will look at another problem or a puzzle which involves association of attributes counting using Boolean rules. Very interesting way we can solve this problem and many such problems. So let me straight away get to the task. Counting puzzle association of attributes. Puzzle, mathematics and literature. Recently, a publishing company which specializes in mathematical books advertised the job opening of an assistant editor. The response was good. 100 people applied for the position. The company, however, wanted to make their selection from the applicants who had some training in both mathematics and literature. Of the 100 applicants, the company found that 10 of them had no training in mathematics and no training in literature. 70 of them had some mathematical training and 82 had some in literature training. How many applicants had training in both mathematics and literature? Source Shakuntala Devi. Puzzles to puzzle you. Very interesting problem, but I'm going to solve this using the association rule based on Boolean rules. An attribute is present or absent. So if it is present, it is 1. If it is absent, it is 0. In that way, we can look at the problem. And let me just show you here something novel and then try to sort of see you how you enjoy the solution. Okay? The first task I label L is equal to training in literature, which is 82, which means L bar, the absence of L, will be 18 because the total candidates is 100. Let M is equal to training in mathematics, which is 70. The data says that. 82 of them had training in literature and 70 in mathematics. It's also given L bar, M bar, no training in literature and no training in mathematics. It says 10. Now, what is L? I will first start with L. Then I will show you, you can get the answer starting from M also. L is equal to LM plus LM bar. In other words, L, literature training people will be having literature and mathematics or literature without mathematics. So that is given to be 82. Okay? Now, therefore, LM, which we want, both literature and mathematics, is equal to 82 minus LM bar. Now, LM bar equal to, if you use the Boolean part, 1 minus L bar into M bar, which is L plus L bar is 1. Therefore, this part, L, I can write it as 1 minus L bar. Then what happens here is, this will become M bar minus L bar M bar. In other words, people without mathematics training, and I subtract no training in maths as well as no training in literature. So this part, L plus L bar is 1. So you put 1 minus L bar here and simplify. It is equal to M bar minus L bar M bar. Now M bar, all of you know, 70 is M, M bar is 30, total is 100. Therefore, this M bar is 30. And I subtract 10 because L bar M bar is equal to 10. Therefore, LM bar is 20. Therefore, LM is equal to 82 minus LM bar, which is 82 minus 20 is equal to 62. So the answer is, how many applicants had training in both mathematics and literature? those who have training in both mathematics and literature, number is equal to 62. Supposing I start with M instead of L, do we get the same answer? Of course we will. Let's look at it now. Or the approach, I start with M. M is equal to ML plus ML bar, because mathematics is associated with literature or no literature. So this total is 70 given. Therefore, ML, which is same as LM, 70 minus ML bar. Now, ML bar, I write it as 1 minus M bar into L bar as before. Therefore, when I simplify 1 minus M bar into L bar, this will become L bar minus L bar M bar. So, L bar is the absence of training in literature. That means no training in literature. So, now L bar from this equation is 18. L is 82, L bar is 18, total is 100. L bar M bar is given as 10, therefore this is equal to 8. Now LM or ML is therefore equal to 70, which is this total, which we started with the equation 70, minus ML bar, which is 8. Answer is 62. In either way, you will get 62, but it is enough if you start with one equation, one attribute, and then use the association and Boolean rules. Remember, presence plus absence is equal to 1. Only one of them will happen, the Boolean rule and the association principles. We get the answer so nicely. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed the solution. The final answer is 62, and let's meet in another video very soon. Thanks a lot.